This is chapter 1K, relative minors and relative majors, and we're talking about relatives, like people who are relatives have the same bloodlines, and in music they share some common things about them. So first of all, relative majors are 3 semitones up from the note. So this, if we pick this note, its relative major is here, okay? And if we pick this note, its relative minor, which is 3 semitones or frets down, is here. So in other words, one note's relative major is another note's relative minor. This is this note's relative minor, and this is this note's relative major. Thanks so much.